Testing, testing. Can everyone hear me clearly? Yeah, can everyone hear me clearly? Can everyone see the screen? Um, yeah, can everyone see our screen? Checking. Fresh. Okay, I think it's working. 78 minutes. Okay. Alright. Okay, cool. Is everyone able to hear us clearly? Okay, good stuff, good stuff. All right. Hey Brian, hey Mark. Right, thanks for tuning in early. Um I guess yeah, it should be should be after the long weekend for those countries which are celebrating the unorthodox Good Friday Easter, yeah, Easter Sunday. Right. So thank you for tuning in everyone. Hey Bob, hey Jack, Zola, right? A Obite. We got Obite, right? Good stuff. Brian, yes, shoot, go ahead and shoot your question, right, before I jump off and Peggy takes over. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, today's session is a live trading session, right? We're gonna oh, only left speaker. Are you listening to me on the surround sound speaker? Let me just see this advanced audio properties. Yeah, it shows left and right. Yeah, it should be working properly though. It should be working properly. All right. I have no idea how to edit it to be both left and right. All right. Brian, the levels you mark on the Sunday and then every day on the technical analysis level change. Why? Right. So the levels we mark on Sunday, right? Rather, the pre-market analysis is like it uses the 1 day time frame. All right. Then the rest of the stuff where we upload onto the IC markets block every single day uses the H4 time frame. All right. Because if you use the 1 day time frame, it's not going to move that much. Yeah, it's not going to move that much. That's why we from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we actually use the H4 time frame, right? So that we have that there's price is a little bit more sensitive to what's happening, right? If it's a 1 day time frame, I can have the same chart throughout the entire week, right? Monday is used as a pre-market analysis to just highlight the key levels for the week, right? And then for the rest of the week, we dive in slightly deeper into what's happening, a little bit more time sensitive analysis. All right. Okay, we got a request of pound dollar 15-minute time frame analysis later. Take note. All right, but yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in for today's session. Hey, Desiree, nice to see you tune in nice and early. Right? The- yeah, yeah, always the ever constant. Right, nice to see you here. Right. Yes, that's right, Brian. Right. So, my morning one day that I did 12 hours, a little bit more than 12 or 13 hours ago. That would be the pre-market analysis. Right. Go check it out. We had a really really great week. We were on the right side of a lot of the calls. Right, on the dollar weakness that we expected. Right, we are right on the crypto, dollar franc dropping. Right, I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, the breakups that we have, euro dollar rising, dollar franc dropping, right? We're on the right side of a lot of it, right? So it was a good setup. This week is a little bit trickier because we are on the turning points of a lot of the key levels, right? Kelvin, nice to see you tune in. All right, good to see you here. Right, yeah, today's session, we are going to dive in. Peggy will be guiding you guys to dive in a little bit more towards the 4 hour analysis and even lower time frames, 1 hour, 15 minute charts. Feel free to ask her. She has her own style of trading. She has her own style of analysis, right? So take this session to dive a little bit deeper into her thought process, into her analysis and trading process. Okay, Nick, nice to see you. You're early today. We're on time today, right? Instead of missing my morning analysis, right? You're on time today. It's good stuff. All right, guys. Remember, as usual, disclaimer. Everything this webinar is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. So please do your own little due diligence before you guys trade. Okay. And of course, introducing your host for today is going to be Peggy, right? She's a analyst here at Everest Fortune Group, finalist for 2019, 2020, 2021 Best FX and Best Equity Research. She has completed her own fair share of prop trading tests, right? So as with a lot of these prop trading tests, there's a lot of it tests you on a good balance of risk and reward, right? So you can't just chase for the profits while sacrificing your risk, your drawdown, right? So she has a pretty good understanding of it, right? What I want to encourage you guys is to ask her questions on her style, right? You anyone wants to know the previous analysis that we did to prepare for the week ahead, right? Simply go to youtube.com, right? I'm going to send you the link here. youtube.com, go to IC Markets, right? You got our channel over here. This is the link we this was the where's my pre-market series here? Pre-market here. Yeah, this was a pre-market series 12 13 hours ago. Go check it out, right? You can see I look pretty sleepy there, 4 a.m. and stuff, right? Go check it out, right? That's a pre-market series if you want to look for what's the key setups on the 1 day time frame, right? Peggy will show you more of the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame, or even the lower time frames for you to play around with. All right. Now, hey Ahmad, nice to see you. Right. Nice to see you again. Right. Okay, over to you, Peggy. Have fun. Oh, your charts. Your charts are over here. Okay.
Hi everyone. Hi, can everyone hear me? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. How you guys doing? Okay. All right. Okay. Before the section, I did some analysis on some of the pair. So if you have any um requests for any pair, you let me know. So just now somebody asked about GBP USD 15-minute time frame. Okay, let's me. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, good evening from Singapore. Yes, I know that's really you are asking for gold, right? But let's me do GBP USD first. Okay. For GBP USD, like before the section, I did some analysis on H4 time frame, which is this level. But somebody asked me for 15 time frame. Okay, let me have a look. Okay. Okay, just me explain on the H4 time frame why the reason I draw this level. And you can see that this is very nice overlap support, which is this area, and then it's line up with 23.6%. So I just highlight the area over here. So to me, let's say if the price came down, actually it's almost reaching, I will just maybe go long from here, right? Let me check like EMA. Yeah, now it's at like EMA 100. Okay, but I don't really use EMA for currency pair. So let's go to M15. Okay, let's say M15 if you want to do scalping, right? Let's say if you buy from this level here, you can use the Fibo to draw where you can get the profit target. I think it's about 61.8 around this. Why I use this level? On the left, you can see this is used to be resistant. Okay, I will just maybe use here. I will change to red color. You can use this one in M15. Okay, I think this one should be around 78.6%. Okay, yeah. So let's say if you buy at this point, you can get the profits here. This is your profit taking. Okay. if you want to scalp, okay, for the GBP USD. But to me, for currency pair, I like to look at the higher time frame. So okay, let me just pull out the EMA. Yep, it's nothing. Okay, this is the area that I'm kind of like waiting for GBP USD. Actually, last week I think we did very pretty good call, because if last week Friday you can see this a divergent, yeah, just want to kind of like recap here, and then the price is all the way down, and then hits all our take profit. This is I use our RSI, just want to find divergent only. Okay, okay, this is my analysis for GBP USD. You may wait around this area and the green box. Okay, okay, let's go to gold. Okay, to me, for gold, why I have two area, I actually today I buy a sell. So this is the area that I'm kind of like waiting for. SMC. Okay. Actually, I don't really trade on SMC, but maybe in the next section I can prepare for that. Okay. Okay, just I show you my own style first for today. Okay. Where did you take a shot on headphone divergence in GBP, right? Okay, for GBP USD. Okay, for last Fridays in head 4, actually I wait for this candle to close, and then I see that there is a divergence in here. Okay, and then I short in after this candle is closed, and then I short around this area from that last Friday. Okay, but my target taking, I close my trade at 50% FIBO, which is around this area. And then I think the price came down until 78.6% FIBO. Yeah, or maybe lower than that. Yeah, because to me, if I trade currency pair, sometimes I want to see like confirmation first. Because last Friday you can see that the XY is weak, and then but last week I saw that the DXY is already at support level here. Okay, I think I did send analysis on IC market in head 4 time frame. I highlighted this is support level. So I'm kind of like waiting here, and then in head 4 I see that there is kind of like closing with green candle. I even go down to H1 time frame, and then I saw that this is a price action, which is this one, like this one. Maybe you cannot see. Like this one. So like last Friday, I did this one, yeah. Okay, like this one. So last Friday I did short for EURUSD and GBP USD, because I saw that already DXY already at support level, and then there is a price action in H1, and after that I saw that GBP also have divergence in H4. Yeah, that's why I'm kind of like short from that level. Okay. Yeah, I know he mean that the SMC smart money concept. I don't really trade on SMC, but I do understand those like break of structures, chain of character. Yeah, maybe next week I try to answer that for you guys. It's just that maybe today I show you my analysis and then maybe my own style. Okay. Okay, and then move to the DCXY. This is before the section. I did analysis on here. Why I choose first resistance here, because from here, if you draw the Fibo, okay, it actually at 50% here, okay, and then actually I go to H1. I just want to see how the price react from this level. You can see from the left here, I choose here because this one used to be support. It break become resistance. You can see the price react here, break the support, and then this is become resistance, a pullback resistance here. That's why I like this level. And then from here, I think the price will come down. If you know how to use the Fibo, you just want to know that where the price will heading to. The first target profit taking, you may choose at like 23.6%. But to me, yeah, you can choose here, take profit at 23.6%. Why I choose here? Because it is zoom in and see, right? This is due to be resistant. If you draw from here, this is support become resistant, it's break, and then you can see that price react very nicely here. A lot of long wick, 1 2 3, and then it's move up. So you can if you chart from here, this is your first target taking at 23.6%. Okay. I need Okay, I will do that for you. Okay, let me just look for those like major pair, and then I'll go to those like cross pair for you. Okay. Okay, DXY, EU, I think already says. Okay. GBP, yeah, I kind of like look waiting this area, but I think it haven't reached my level yet. It's already bounced up really nicely, but it's okay. From here, UJ. Okay. For UJ, I saw that there is channel line here. So I draw the channel line from here to here. And then I'm gonna wait at this area, which is this level. Why I shoot this level? I draw the Fibonacci is at 61.8%, and then is also at drop base drop. You can see from here. Sorry. No, no. Where is my brush? Okay, you can see drop here, and then you can see base here, and then drop here. So I draw the area which is this one over here. This is my supply zone that I'm kind of like waiting to sell if price go to this level, because it have a confluence with 61.8% Fibo and as supply zone. If you want to like zoom in to see in H1, you can see that this is very big candle stick here, and then the pie retest around here, and then it moved down. So this is the area that I'm kind of like waiting to short or to sell from this level. If the price is come until here, yeah, come until here. Okay. Okay, and then go to the AUD USD. Okay, for the it's the same AUD USD. Okay, I saw that this is very nice sorry area, because when you draw Fibo, it's at 38.2%, and you can see that price react for this level very nicely. And then actually on this one I draw because I saw it's a price zone here. But if you look at H1, it's called hidden base, right? So you zoom in to look at H1, you can see that Okay, here, this is the zone used to be support, right? And then pi react supply zone. You can see from here in H1, and then pi drop really nicely. So I'm kind of like waiting, and then you can see that this, I think this zone is very important because you can see that there is a long wick from here in H1. You can see that really long wick here, like very nice rejection here, and then it's really big bearish candle. Okay, I think the big boy in the market, these are to be like last Fridays, right? So in H4, if you want, let's say if you want to buy, the safe zone is this one, my support level. Why I choose this one? Because you can see that this is a weak, quick, a lot of rejection here. Here is a cut through, and then respect the support level, even like 1, 2, and then if you draw Fibo projection from here to here, and then here, it exactly at 100% Fibo projection. So you can wait for this area if you want to buy for the safe zone. You can draw the area here, and then you can wait, because I think now price is just like around at this level. So either maybe US market, you can expect either price is go up here or go down here. To me, if go up here, I will short. If come here, I will buy. Yep. Got stop out on AUD USD because of the big wick. Yeah, I understand. Here, right? Heartbroken, right? It's just like, you can stop out, and then after that the price reverse into your direction. Yeah. Okay. So that's why for currency pair, I don't really scalp. If I do scalping, I only do on gold, because gold a lot of movement, a lot of volatility as well. Okay. Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar here. Actually price is at here, right? But to me, I'm wait at this area, which I already draw. Why the reason I wait is here? Because this is a very, very nice support level. Okay, from here, and then is line up with 127 Fibo expansion. Why expansion? Okay, I want to know where is the price heading to. Okay, it's line up very nicely with 120%, 27% here. Okay, and I go down to H1. Okay, if you go to H1, you can see that now price is already at support in H1 here, a lot of rejection here, long wick here. If you trade in H1, I think some of you might already buy from this level, because some of you said that H4 is a bit long. You can see a lot of wick here. So this is in H1, this is very, very important level as well. You can see that, and then after the price it reaches this level, and then you can see the long wick here. Yeah, and then it shoot up until here, and then it's like come down. Yeah, but to me, like again, I go to H4. I'm kind of like wait here, but you can see that in H4, if you want to draw, okay, you can wait here for the safe zone. But if you cannot wait, you say, okay, I'm a easy hand. You want to trade on his one time frame. Okay. Yeah, there is no. Okay, let me draw from here to here. Okay, no level for H1. This is the level. But you can see that even though you zoom in H1, I think it's a bit sideways here. You can see, right? Nothing much like move here. So for you, for the safe zone, I think you just wait at what happened here? Ah, inbox. You see? I think it's like pi is consolidate around here. So to me, I will still wait at this area in H4. You see the price move. I think in US market, you can like you can draw somewhere around here. Okay, yeah, it's up to you whether you want to trade H1 or H4. Use support and resistance level. Wait, okay, let me read the question. Can you show your goal setup again, please? Okay. Okay, I use support and resistance level just to find the level either like overlap support or resistance, and I use Fibbo just to find the one is the entry is whether line up with any support or resistance, or I use Fibbo just to get the take profit level, or even though you can use the Fibbo to see where is the price gonna heading to. For example, like this one, because you can see that price is from here go up here and then it drop down to this level, and then you want to see that if whether price will go up to this level, you know that this level you just want to buy because there is very nice overlap support here, right? Because this one used to be resistance, it break resistance and then become support. So this is very nice overlap support, and then you want to find a confluence, just want to get confident in your setup, and then you draw the Fibbo, and then you see that this level that you're looking to buy is line up with excuse me 127% Fibbo expansion. Okay, and then you look for buy over here, and then you can see on your left in H4 there is a lot of rejection over here. Like you want to draw a little bit higher, you can see here rejection this level. So this is very you can see that very strong support from this one. So the price came down, you can you know try to buy from here. Okay, just like manage your risk and reward. Do you wait for the price action and then take a trade when it's reached? Okay, let me show on goal setup again. Okay, for the goal setup, I buy at sale because last week the day is very have really strong bearish candle. It then it come from very strong resistance level. So this week, maybe today, not this week, sorry, I will buy a sale for today. So I will wait here because you can see this area idle people extension from here to here. And then why the reason why I choose 51 to 61, because if I zoom in you can see that this is okay, this area okay is called hidden base in a H4. Okay, and then I just want to make sure that my analysis is kind of like correct. So I zoom in to H1, and then you can see that if you trade demand and supply, this one used to be resistant, right? And then you can see that price is go up resistant, and then it broke resistant and then become support, right? From this area, and then up it break the support with very big candle. So this one, when the price came back, I'm gonna short from here. Maybe I use this one because this one is a drop, base drop. Okay, like you can see that here drop, alright, this is a base, and then with big candle here. Okay, so I want to trade the same side with the big boy. So this is the area that I kind of like wait to buy, because I think the price it could come up to like 61.8%, like around this one, right? You can see top here, because the wick here it line up with 61.8%, and then it from here we have like a supply zone, and then if like below here is line up with 50% Fibonacci retracement as well. So how you draw the supply? Usually we will draw from the wick and then to the candle here. But because I saw that this is kind of like very near 50% Fibo, and then I saw that on my lab I saw there is a candle um streak here, so I draw a little bit like that, and then like this the zone. For example, if the price came, okay, this is in H1, okay, okay. So now I don't use a EMA, because EMA I just use to scout in M1 only. Okay, even though you go to M30, you can see that this is really big rejection. You know, a lot of like this kind of like consolidate here. Okay, in M30, and then there is a supply zone here. Okay, even in M15 you can see it really clearly. This is supply zone. Okay, drop, base, drop, and then we will wait for the price to come here, and then we're gonna sell from here. Okay, this is why I wait if the price come, but if the price is not coming to the zone, if the price come to this area, I'm gonna buy from here. The reason, because it line up with 61.8%, and then you can see that this is really nice overlap support. You can see if you draw the zone, okay, here, and then you can see the wick and the price go up until here and then reverse. Okay, and then you have very big bullish candle here, come back to the zone here, you have very rejection, and then this is the price action here, and then the price go the way up, and then I'm kind of like wait around, let's say 1980 and 1988, around this area. Let's say if the price really move from that, I'm gonna sell, or they move up until here, I'm gonna buy. Yeah, this is my goal analysis. Okay, the do I wait for the price action? I do wait for the price action. I do sometimes. Sometimes I don't wait. I just take risks on that. But I manage my trade management like very carefully. But sometimes I do, like for example, like last week, because I saw that the XY is already at support, for example, but because last week the dollar is very weak, so I don't know it's gonna break this support or not. So I kind of like wait to see how the price react from this support. So I'm kind of like wait, and then I look at H1. I see that, oh, there is a price action over here, then I will buy at buy from here, because we're gonna buy from the support, right? And then um it come from support in day. If you know how to read the candle streak, you can see that in daily time frame, this is very very big bullish candle, which is there is no wick, or maybe have a little bit, right? Meaning that this is have a lot of order over here, which is a big boy. Place the order here. There is no rejection. I mean, like there is a no long wick here. So I think this is, on my own opinion, this is very very strong support level in daily time frame. Okay. Okay, then when you zoom in to H1, like I say, you will see the price action over here. Okay, so when the dollar is go up, right? EU GBP tend to go down. Okay, that's why I in H4 I see there is a valid divergence here in RSI, and then I sell from there. Okay, sometimes if you want to get carry, you can just make it like a bit bigger, just to see the RSI really clearly. You can see that there is a bearish divergence in RSI versus price action here. Okay, good day to you too. Okay, I will move. Okay, like I think this one already told you, right? I'm gonna wait to short from here, this level for the UJ in H4. You can see that price in a channel line, but if price come here, react here, I'm gonna sell. AU, I already tell you, give a dollar as well. UCAT. Okay, for the UCAT, I did analysis beforehand. Okay, if you know how to use a Fibonacci projection, for example, I remove first. Like, price already break the support level, right? This one it used to be, before that it used to be the support. Okay, I will just draw from where's my support here. And when the price broke support level, and then you want to see that where is the price is gonna going to, you can use Fibonacci projection. You can draw from here to here and here. Okay, you can see that price react at 61.8% here, and after that it reverts, right? Since this level is already used, so I'm not gonna use a 61.8%, but I just want to show you guys. I'm kind of like wait at this green box, which is I go to daily time frame. I just want to get kind of like very nice overlap support first, which is I draw this area. What I draw from the wick, I draw from the wick here, and then over here you can see that this is a demand zone. Okay, in day you can see that rally base rally here, this is demand zone. So when the price came down here, and then the price shoot up, and then is line up with Fibo expansion at 78.6% here. So I'm gonna kind of like wait at this area, but maybe daily time frame you think it's too kind of like too far. You zoom in. Okay, you zoom in. Why I draw this box, I also zoom to H1. I think maybe H1 is a bit far. I zoom H4. Okay, I will show you why I draw another green box inside. Maybe I use this one. Okay. Okay. I draw this one because I want to draw from like this wick here to here. Let's say if the price come to around like this level, let me okay. Let's say if the price come to this area in H4, which is within like 78.6%. I'm gonna buy from here. But if you want to be safe, you can wait for any like price action or any confirmation for you to buy from this level. So I will kind of like watch out for this level. It may not happen like today. It may happen tomorrow because price already react from this level here. You can see that's right. Fibo projection at 61.8% here, and go up from here. Let's say if the price come up until here at the support level, which is I draw from here, you can short from here as well. Why? Use Fibo. It line up with 50% Fibo retracement. why I choose this level. And again, you go to your left, you try to draw support or resistance. You can see price or react from here, here, and then you can hear from the support they react really nicely. Right, you can see that. I zoom in for you to see support like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like kind of 5 rejection. Okay, after it broke the support, this one should be resistant. So I change to resistant. Okay, this gonna be overlap resistant, not overlap. Okay, pull back. So you wait for the price. Okay, to go up here and then pull back, and then you're gonna short or sell from here. Okay, these are the level you can watch out as well for the UCAT. Okay. I like I say I draw Fibo, just want to get like confluence or on my setup. Okay, this is very nice level as well. Okay, move to the this pair. Yeah, I try. Okay, I will try to do for you. Okay, let me finish first. Okay, for this level. Oop, never mind. Why I choose this level? Because you can see in head 4, this is the pie zone, and then it line up with 61.8% Fibo retracement, and then this is a overlap resistance. You know, right? This is used to be support like this level, and then is support. It broke the support and become resistance. So we wait for the pullback, and then we're gonna sell from here. Okay, from this one. Again, like I say, if you want to get confluence, you just draw people from here to here. Why is not good? Okay, it's like up really nicely. You can wait around here, this zone. You zoom in to H4. Sorry, H1. You can see that in H1. Okay, this is supply zone here. You can see right here. The supply zone here. Okay, this supply zone. Okay, so when you trade demand or supply, like myself, like this, you can see that this is really, there must be the big bullish candle or bearish candle like this, and then meaning that the big boy in the market, right? So you want to trade the same side as them, and you just kind of like wait for the price to come to this zone, and then you sell from here because their confluence with 61.8%, and then it's a overlap resistance as well. So this is very nice level. So you can wait for this when the price come here. Okay. For the just a quick one for oil. Okay. This is the first support level you can buy. Okay, why? It's like up really nicely, a lot of rejection here. Okay, but I put intermediate support because if let's say if the price break below, it could come to this level, which is 23.6%, because in the past price cannot break through 23.6%. You can see that a lot of rejection in this area. Okay, this is also very important level as well, but I don't know when the for the oil, the price will come down and close the gap here. I think it will take some time. Yeah, so this is the level you can watch out. Okay, this is like um oh, support level here. The where is my support? Yeah, if it break here, yeah, it will just go up to this level. Okay, you can watch just kind of like watch out this level. So far there is no divergence here. Actually there is divergence like easily happen, so no point I want to draw. Okay, Um, let me know if you have any pair you want me to have a look for you. You want me to look at what is that? Hmm. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let me see. Where is that? I don't have that. Maybe I try another JP insert the uh, you mean this one? This pair, right? Matte. Yeah. Or another one. G okay. GJ. Yeah, GJ I do beforehand. Okay, for the GJ, if you look at it for, I draw this support level. It's at 30.2%. It's very, very important level. I draw from here. But it's kind of like if you look at head 4, pi is kind of like a lingering around like first support here. First support and second resistance here. So I think if you want to find the entry, even those in H1, you cannot find the entry because I don't see any entry here. Okay, you see it zoom in, it just probably consolidates around this area. Okay, like even though in H1, nothing here, a lot of rejection here, so um I think this support is very strong support level as well. You can see that even though it's light up with 30.2%, a lot of rejection here, one, two, three times, so it's really, really strong. Okay, I even zoom in to H to M15. To M15, this one is already used already. Okay, so we don't use this level anymore because if you want to get the entry, this send you to be supply zone here. Okay, and then it's already touched this level and it drop already, so we don't use already. If you trade demand and supply, usually we only trade when it's fresh, meaning like it's first time it came, and then we're gonna use the supply on demand zone. Okay, but I think this level is already use it. I don't see any area I can go in. Yeah, even like you can wait here, but smaller time frame, um I don't have any confidence. But again, like this on the M30, nothing move here. Okay, if to me, because it gonna go to the US market very soon, unless you will buy from this area, you can wait around this one. Or is it very nice level? No, don't have. If you want to find entry, you can wait around this one as well. Why I choose this? Because you can see that in head 4, there are a lot of rejection around this level, right? You can see like here, or if you drop to from here also can, but I prefer like this one. A lot of rejection here, weak around here, and then the weak, and then is respect this level. I think this one should be around either 50 or 61, or should be 78 point. No, so yeah, I don't see any like 9 level here. You see? Don't see any. Yeah, so I don't use Fibo for this one, or I use at the 38 because I find this is very nice level here. A lot of respect here, rejection a few times. Okay, okay, let me just zoom again. If you want to draw the zone, for example, you can draw this zone like then I change to extend the green, like, and then you want to move this the one. Okay, this like the zone around here. Okay, yeah, you can watch out this zone, and then you see any like price action around here. But if you look at head 4, buy, sell, buy, you know buy, sell, and buy. Now it's pushing up, so there is really no entry from this one. I don't know where I can entry for GBP, JPY. There, Desmond mix it up on GBP, JPY. No, I I don't think there is. You see, you cannot find any. You see expansion. No, there is. For example, I want to from here to here to here. This the only zone which is the support is quite far here. 78.6% or 61.8% is a projection. If the price is really come down to here, you may want to like buy from this one or this one. You just have to see how it the price react maybe in the US market. But now you can see that there is no like really movement from here. No, so I don't think there is a label from here. But over here I just kind of like do drawing around here. So you can watch, you can like um take note on this level. Okay, and then we'll see how it the price react for the GBP USD, because I don't see any divergence as well. Even I pull out EMA just to like support the resistance. Okay, and you can see here this area is light up with 38.2%, and then is also with EMA 200. So if I want to buy, I still wait for this area. This is to me is there is like at least 2 to 3 confluence EMA 200 EMA and 38.2% Fibo retracement, and then you can see that there is a lot of rejection at this area. So I'm gonna wait here to buy for the GJ. Okay. Okay. Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Where is Nasdaq? Either this one, no Nasdaq. Nasdaq is US 500, right? Is it? I just anyhow. Okay. Let me go to head 4 first. Head 4. There is no level. Okay. Like if you know how to use like demand and supply, this is we call hidden base, right? And you can see that if you wait for this area, you can see that when price is come to this area, and then it's reversed. So now it's already go up. I don't use it. Okay, because demand and supply we only use when it's fresh. So I remove. Let me go to H1. Okay, I see that this is very nice level resistance. Okay, to me, if the price come, I will wait at this one, around this area. Okay, 78.6%, because I will, let's see first, 60.6%. Okay, nice. Okay, I will remove. Okay, why I choose this one? I will draw because this one due to be support, break, support, resistance, and this is a overlap support already. Okay, so you may wait around this area. Okay, to buy this one in the H1. Okay, this area I will wait here. But let's zoom into M15. Okay, to the M15, you can see this is base. Okay, Lanley, base Lanley. You want to get like very precise, you can draw like this. Okay, around this area. But sometimes if price it might come like to this one, so you have to manage your trade as well. Okay, just want to zoom in. Okay, you can see that this is you can see lily, base lily here. Okay, this area you can wash out, and then you can buy from this one if the price come here. But if you think it's too far, you really want to get the entry in hash. Let me see, there is nothing, any, no. Yeah, I don't like this zone. That's why I don't like, I'm not confident in this zone. So to me, I'm quite careful when I trade. So if there is no entry, you just look for another pair. It's okay. Okay, one last one. EU. Okay. Okay, let me see. EURJPY. Okay. Like I like to do higher time frame first. Just want to find the level. I think I use Fibo expansion because I want to see where the price is gonna going up to. If you want to be safe, you can wait at this level because price is already above 61.8%. But let's go to see day. Okay, if you look at daily time frame, it's around this high, like maybe this high. Okay, you can watch out. For example, if you want to trade your SL, I think you just be above this week, like your stop loss. Yeah, to be safe. Okay, like maybe if you want to like be safe around this one, like above 100%. But if to me here also okay, but here also okay. Okay, just to be safe in daily time frame, you can see that Fibo expansion 78.6% is around this one. Also, it's very important if you want to draw the area. You can draw from the wick to the candle. Okay. Let's box here. Mm, yeah. I want to go to zoom to okay to H1 to H4. Sorry. See here. Okay. You want to adjust nicely. Okay, a bit here and then here. And then you move. Yep. So you can see the price is still moving up. Okay. So I will move the box up a little bit around this area. So by this one you can highlight at the resistance, which is a multi-swing high in H4. Okay, and then this is the zone that in the race box you cannot short from here if the price come. Okay, yeah, here. Okay, this is the one because this the area. Let's say if you short from here, I think first target profit is gonna be this level. Okay, because this one used to be resistance and then now it becomes like support. Okay, first target is here. Okay, and the next level I think is here. Allow this one. Okay, or even if too far, the second target profit you can put here. Why I put here? Because I draw here. Okay, due to be resistance, right? You can see a 2 week here. Okay, rejection came down, it broke above, and then the price came down 1 2 3 4, like 4 rejection for this support. So this is very important level as well. So this could be your first target profit, and then this one could be your second target profit. Okay. Okay, last pair. Okay, let me find. I find from here then. CSF JPY. Okay, all time high. Okay, I think now price is already at resistance in there. Okay, this is the area that you can sell because it's already daily time frame here. You can short from here. You can see that price is already check here. Let me see. Yeah, it's at 100% people expansion. Okay, so for this pair actually you can short already from this level because this is already at resistance there, and then it line up with 100% people projection really nicely. You can see from here. Okay, 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 let's say if you sell. Okay, your first target profit could be 23.6%, which is um this level, around this level, because you can see that this one used to be resistant, right? Resistant rejects a few times, like 1 2 3 4, and then it break above, so now becomes support. If you want to highlight your this the zone. Okay, this the one. But if I want to zoom in, I think price, yeah, may just come to this one. because this is another supply demand zone. Okay, because if you zoom in here, a lot of big here, and then have really big bullish candle. Yeah, so you can watch out for this one. This is a head 4, but yeah, but now I think that is already divergent here. Okay, in head 4 you can see price here, you want to see, and then here is price here. Okay, zoom in, see. Okay, if you want to trade in H1, you can get the take profit here if you like, if you would like here, because in H1 you can see the price movement here, resistance, break, become support, 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 right, along 2 weeks here. So this is if you sell from here, you can get a take profit here. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you so much for today, guys. Thanks for staying with me throughout. Um, I will see you again next week. Okay, let me know if you have any question. I try to answer as much as possible. Thank you, Desiree. Okay, don't forget, I also wait to short go as well, either from here and here. Okay, for go is always my favorite one. Okay, yep. All right, thank you so much. Thank Brian. Hope to see you again next section. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. See you again next week. Okay, bye. Thank you. Thank you, Kelvin. All right, have a good evening, have a good afternoon, have a good morning, guys. All ready for the US section. Okay. Bye.